Vivo Y70s with 5G support teased, live images leak before official launch. Vivo Y70s has now hit headlines, and it looks like Vivo is gearing up to launch more smartphones under its Y series. It was recently reported that Vivo would be bringing the Vivo Y30 to India sometime next month. Now, a Vivo Y70s poster has popped up revealing Vivo's plans of launching this new smartphone as well. The official teaser from the company tips 5G support for this new smartphone, while another post on Weibo tips 3 different color variants along with live images of the Vivo Y70s that reveal the smartphone design and its packaging. The official teaser of the Vivo Y70s surfaced on Weibo tipping that the smartphone has 5G support. The official teaser does not reveal much, but another post on Weibo shares another official-looking poster which tips 3 color variants of the smartphone. The same post also shares live images of the Vivo Y70s along with the retail box of the smartphone. It could be possible that the smartphone is very close to its official launch in China. The official-looking poster also tips that the Vivo Y70s has a hole-punch display and a triple camera setup at the back. It also tips a 4500 mAh battery and a 48-megapixel primary camera. The Vivo Y70s is tipped to sport a Samsung Exynos 880 processor with 2 Cortex-A77 cores clocked at 2 GHz and 6 Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 1.79 GHz. It is a Mali G75 GPU. This is in line with a previous sighting of the Vivo Y70s on a benchmarking website. The smartphone is tipped to sport 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. While it was benchmarked, the smartphone did score 641 and 1814 in single-core and multi-core tests respectively. This Vivo Y70s is tipped to run Android 10. Another report in the past tips 18W charging support for the device. It looks like the Vivo Y70s is very close to its official launch and we can expect to see an announcement from Vivo soon. Thanks for watching this video. You are loved at this video, click thumbs up button, share this video your friends and family. Any doubt, comment.